These are the exact 15 things that I am doing right now to grow my small YouTube channel, all learned from the pros. Today, I'm going to be walking you guys through every single thing that I am doing behind the scenes to set myself up for long-term growth without burnout. Yeah, I am fully aware that I only have 400 subscribers right now, and I'm not going to pretend like I've cracked any code. But what I have been doing that you haven't been doing is spending hours studying what the top creators have been doing. And here's the best part, even if you're just starting out too, hopefully these strategies will also work for you. P.S. though, I just want to bring your attention to the fact that getting 400 people to listen to you for more than potentially 8 to 10 minutes per video is no small feat. Think about how many people that actually is, all sitting there, looking at your face and clinging on to everything you tell them. That's pretty freaking incredible when you really think about it. So if you are a smaller YouTube creator like me, reward yourself for just showing up in the first place. I'm proud of us. Go you. With that little celebration out of the way, go grab your notebook and your favorite gel pen because it's about to get serious in this bitch. I'm gonna break down this into 3 sections. We're gonna go through 15 different things, but in 3 easy digestible sections: audience and community, content creation workflow, and branding and growth systems. So let's do this thing. Let's start with the foundation, because without a connected audience and real community, none of the other strategies really matter at all. If you don't have people actually giving a about what you're sharing, it doesn't matter how fancy your editing is or how many videos you post. So here's exactly what I'm doing right now to build that audience connection from the ground up. Number 1 is audience first intentionality. I'm constantly asking myself, what does my audience need right now? What is going to move their journey forward? And then I'm super mindful about not making random content that's going to confuse YouTube's algorithm or make my audience wonder why they're here and how they even landed here. The goal is to stay consistent with the type of value and content that I'm offering, so YouTube knows exactly who to send my videos to. Number 2 is community engagement. When someone comments on my video, I don't just say thanks. I try to ask questions back like, what was your favorite part? Or what would you like to see next? Plus, I'm running polls and surveys on my Instagram and inside my private Facebook groups to hear directly from my ideal customers about the videos that they actually want from me. This is not only helping me come up with a bunch of ideas, but it's helping me curate content that people are already excited to watch. And it also helps signal to the algorithm that people are interacting with my channel because I'm building a conversation with them rather than just responding with like an emoji or thanks. Number 3 in this section is clear posting schedule. Another thing that I've done is basically let people know when they can expect me. I'm publishing shorts every single weekday and long form videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you set the notification bell if you want to be notified every Tuesday and Thursday when they go live. This creates a rhythm that my audience can rely on. My viewers know when to come back, they're more likely to keep showing up at that time. Number 4 is analytics with a growth mindset. This is so important, and it definitely took me way too long to get to this point to understand that I need to look at my analytics as pure data, not as a reflection of my worth. If one of my videos only gets 15 views in the first few hours, which has happened multiple times. Sure, old me might have taken that personally, but now I'm using that as a clue. What can I do better next time? Where did I potentially miss the mark on this one? It's a shift from ego to strategy, and that alone has changed this entire journey for me personally. Number 5 in this section is cross-platform promotion. Another big thing that I'm doing is bringing people over to YouTube from other platforms. I embed my YouTube videos on my Stan store, so TikTok and Instagram followers can watch them, and they might not have known that I even offer long form content. I also decided to share them on my Bingeable profile, which is an invite-only affiliate marketing platform. If you guys want access to it, obviously you have to be invited, so I'll invite you with my link below in the description. So people who are already following me on that platform for recommendations can easily find my YouTube trainings as well. This is helping drive external traffic to YouTube, which YouTube obviously loves. Number 6 in this section is collaborating and networking. Even as a small creator, I am showing up in other creators' comments. I'm supporting their work and I'm building genuine relationships. I've also gone live with a few other online entrepreneurs in the past talking about their journey, and I plan on starting that again soon. So now let's get into the content creation process itself. This is where a lot of small creators get stuck or burnt out, or they just give up entirely. So I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly how I am staying consistent, creative, and efficient without running myself into the ground, even by doing 2 videos a week. Our 7th tip out of 15 is outsourcing editing and thumbnails. I am using the absolute power of outsourcing to my advantage, which, to be honest, I have pretty much done for the entire life of my business. Because I have the capital from my online business, I made the decision early on to outsource all of my editing. I have 2 editors, one in the US and one in India, both with their own strengths, so I can keep pumping out as much content as I want without overloading anyone's calendars. Now, I understand that not everyone can do this early on. If you have to do your own editing or if you have to build your own thumbnails, that's totally reasonable. And it's not guaranteeing that it's gonna hurt you or help me, to be honest. But if you can invest, even just like 70 to $100, you could get a good Fiverr editor, and that can save you hours, which will help you stay consistent. I also decided to hand off all of my thumbnails to either AI or a thumbnail artist because I know that those are so important to driving clicks. Number 8 on our list is a professional, hopefully you guys agree, filming setup. I invested in creating a filming space that makes my videos look polished from the start. I use a professional podcast mic for clear and crisp audio, a content creator camera, a teleprompter, and hopefully an aesthetically pleasing looking background. No, you absolutely do not need all of this at all to succeed on YouTube whatsoever, but I personally made the decision to start at the highest level that I could because I wanted viewers who found me on the homepage to immediately see that I'm taking this shit seriously, even if I only have 400 subscribers. Also, if you guys want any of the stuff that I just alluded to, I'll link all of those in the description. Number 9 is intentional content consumption. Instead of doom scrolling at night, which all of us are guilty of, I am intentionally consuming content to help improve my own. I listen to podcasts or watch successful creators while I'm walking on the treadmill or I'm taking my dog for a walk in the morning. And then I immediately apply those insights to my own channel. It was a simple shift, but it's helped me stay in learning mode without falling into comparison mode, which can be really, really easy for all of us to fall in. Number 10 out of 15 is a humility and ego check. Here is a mindset shift that has been absolutely critical for me. I had to remind myself that I am a newbie on YouTube. Yes, I have grown my Instagram to 20,000 followers. Yes, I've made over 850 grand online in the past 3 years. Yes, I hit 120,000 followers on TikTok within 4 months, but YouTube? Brand spanking new to it. So I'm coming in humble. I physically have to come in humble. I'm focusing on delivering value first. I'm not pretending that I know better than any creators who have been in the game for years. And that mindset helps me stay open to growth. With that in mind, number 11 is a tactical change that I've made, starting with the title and thumbnail before I ever write a script. I used to think that this was stupid, and I thought, why would you do that? Especially because I have ADHD, so I need to get my ideas on paper fast, aka the script. But all the top creators that I spent hours studying said the exact same thing. People decide to click on your videos based on the title and thumbnail. So when they actually get inside of your video, you need to deliver on that promise immediately. So now I don't even touch a script until I've locked those pieces in first. Moving on to number 12 is YouTube optimization tools and AI to keep myself productive and literally save me hours of time. I use vidIQ to research what's working, generate ideas, and spy on outliers from channels in my niche. I use ChatGPT, who I lovingly call Charles, to brainstorm video ideas, scripts, and titles. And I use Opus clips to automatically turn all of my long form videos into shorts, which gives me even more content without doubling my workload. All right, guys, we have covered now audience. We have also covered content workflow. So now let's wrap it all up with branding and growth systems that make sure all of this work actually scales over time for you guys. Number 13 is SEO optimized descriptions with timestamps. I am trying to basically just optimize my video descriptions to work both for the viewer, aka a human, and the algorithm, aka the thing that is helping me or not helping me. I am adding things like this, watch this next, links to guide people to other videos of mine. I'm also doing keyword-rich playlists like how to make money online. So I show up in more searches that my ideal audience members are actually typing into the search bar on YouTube or looking up on Google Google. I'm also doing timestamps on every single video so people can have the opportunity to skip to the exact part that they care about without bouncing off of the video. Number 14, we are coming close to the end, guys. I've also set up a clear, intentional YouTube homepage. So when people land on my channel, they instantly know who I help, what kind of videos they can expect from me, where they should start watching. I also chose 2 separate videos to be featured on my homepage for both new and returning viewers, catered to what would benefit them best. You can easily do this by yourself as well in the customization section literally every week if you want to. Last but not least, guys, we have finally made it to the end. Number 15. I'm building out playlist and using a binge watch strategy. I'm grouping related videos into playlists so YouTube's algorithm keeps recommending my videos one after the other. I'm also adding links to related videos in pinned comments and my descriptions. Also end screens as well. Every end screen pushes someone to a video that makes sense for what they just got done watching. This is huge because the longer people stay on your channel, the more YouTube will prioritize your content. Well, guys, that officially wraps up all of the 15 things that I am doing right now to grow my small YouTube channel. I hope any of you are still here listening. If you are, I also hope you guys learned something today and you have at least one thing that you want to go back and apply to your own small channel strategy. My next video, where I'm going to go over the exact YouTube checklist that I follow, again, built directly from the pros before every upload. I'm going to break it all down step by step for you guys, packed with every single thing that I do before hitting publish and even after hitting publish. I will see you guys over there.